how to create your own custom animated WhatsApp stickers. So let's begin. First of all, you need to open your WhatsApp application and then you have to click on this message icon. Then from here, you'll see this stickers option. You need to click on it. Next, you have to click on this stickers option here. As soon as you click on it, you see an option called create. You need to click on that. Once you click on it, you can select any picture or video that you want to use as a sticker. For example, if I want to use this picture, I'll select it from here. As soon as I select it, you see that our WhatsApp sticker has been created. Now, as you can see, it's ready. If I want to share it, I'll share it from here. As you can see, our animated WhatsApp sticker has been created and shared. So that was today's video. I hope you liked it. If you enjoyed the video, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon.